Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an interesting and potentially lucrative home business idea: diaper packing. It's a practical venture where you repackage bulk baby diapers into smaller, retail-ready packets. These are then sold to local shops, convenience stores, and online platforms. The goal is to provide convenience for parents and a profitable opportunity for you. So, what exactly does this business entail? Essentially, you purchase baby diapers in bulk. Think large bags, often containing hundreds of diapers, which are usually available at a significant discount compared to purchasing individual packs at retail prices. This initial investment in bulk buys is key to maximizing your profit margins. You will then use a heat sealing machine to repackage these diapers into smaller, branded packets. These might be packs of 10, 15, or 20 diapers, or any other quantity that suits your target market's needs and preferences. These smaller, more convenient packs are then sold to local shops, convenience stores, childcare facilities, and even online marketplaces. The beauty of this business lies in its inherent simplicity and the consistent, high-volume demand. Diapers are an essential, non-discretionary product, a constant and unavoidable need for parents of infants and toddlers, which creates a reliable and stable market. Buying in bulk allows for a considerable profit margin when repackaged and sold at a competitive price. Plus, it's a business you can run efficiently and effectively from the comfort of your home, making it exceptionally flexible and convenient to manage, especially for those with young children or other commitments. Now, let's delve deeper into the practical process. First, you'll need to source your diapers. Research and compare different suppliers to identify the ones offering the best prices, quality, and reliability. Consider various diaper brands, sizes: newborn, size 1, 2, 3, etc., and absorbent capacities to cater to a broader audience and maximize your sales potential. Explore different suppliers, considering both established wholesale distributors and online bulk sellers. Check for any minimum order quantities, MOQs, and shipping costs before committing. Remember to assess the quality of the diapers to ensure customer satisfaction. Next, you'll need to invest in the right equipment. The star of the show is, of course, the heat sealing machine. This machine is crucial for sealing the packets securely, ensuring the diapers remain clean, dry, and protected from environmental factors like dust and moisture. The heat seal prevents any tampering and helps maintain hygiene during storage and transit. You'll also need packaging materials such as high-quality plastic bags, preferably with a resealable feature, and potentially branding elements like attractive labels, stickers, or even custom-printed packaging if you choose to invest in it. Ensure the packaging material is durable and adequately sized to hold the correct number of diapers, without compromising their shape or absorbing moisture. Once you have your supplies and equipment ready, the diaper packing process is relatively straightforward, making this business perfect for those new to entrepreneurship. You'll begin by carefully counting the diapers, ensuring accuracy, and placing them neatly into the packaging. Then, using the heat sealing machine, you'll create a secure and airtight seal, making sure the diapers remain protected. Consider adding your brand's label or any relevant information, size, count, etc., to each packet to enhance its market appeal, adding professionalism to your business. Then, it's time to find your customers. Actively reach out to local shops, small retailers, convenience stores, pharmacies, and childcare centers. Offer competitive prices, attractive packaging, and highlight the convenience and value your product provides to both the retailers and the end consumer's parents. Marketing is critical to your success. Create a simple, user-friendly website or a social media page, Facebook, Instagram, etc., to showcase your brand, products, and value proposition. Use high-quality images of your packaged diapers and highlight any special offers or promotions. Emphasize the quality, convenience, and affordability of your diapers. Consider offering different packet sizes to cater to different customer needs, and bundling options, e.g., multi-packs, to increase the average order value and attract more customers. Consider partnering with local parenting groups community events, or online forums to promote your brand and gain customer loyalty. With a little planning, some dedication, and a focus on providing quality products and excellent customer service, diaper packing can become a highly successful and rewarding home-based business. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to explore this fantastic business opportunity.